Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an often overlooked, but absolutely crucial piece of gear for any musician or vocalist using TC Helicon devices, the UpBright USB cable cord. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where your TC Helicon voice tone pedal, your vocal ditto mic looper, or even your powerful VoiceLift 3 Extreme isn't connecting reliably to your computer, you know the frustration. That's where a dedicated, high-quality cable like this one from UpBright becomes an absolute game-changer. This isn't just any generic USB cable. The UpBright USB cable cord is specifically designed to be compatible with an extensive range of TC Helicon units. We're talking about the VoiceTone H1, D1, X1, C1, E1, R1, T1, Synth Vocal Play, Vocal Ditto Mic Looper, Stomp, VoiceLift 3 Extreme, Dynamics Harmony G, Create XD, and various voice tone effects pedals. That's a seriously broad spectrum, meaning if you're invested in the TC Helicon ecosystem, chances are this cable has you covered. What makes this particular cable stand out, beyond its impressive compatibility, is its special feature: low voltage. Now for audio equipment, especially sensitive vocal processors and effects pedals, stable and appropriate power delivery is paramount. A low-voltage cable ensures that your TC Helicon device receives the precise power it needs without any fluctuations or overloads that could potentially damage the unit, or, at the very least, cause unreliable performance. This is incredibly important for maintaining the longevity and optimal functionality of your expensive gear. Connecting your TC Helicon device to your laptop or PC for firmware updates, preset management, or even just for power requires a dependable link. The UpBright cable provides that robust connection, ensuring seamless data transfer and consistent power. It's a standard USB connector type, making it universally compatible with your computer's USB ports, but its internal design is optimized for the specific needs of these audio devices. Think about it. You spend good money on your vocal processors and effects pedals to enhance your sound and performance. Skimping on the cable that connects it to your computer or power source is like putting cheap tires on a sports car. The UpBright USB cable cord acts as that reliable bridge, giving you peace of mind whether you're in the studio, on stage, or just updating your presets at home. It's built to ensure your TC Helicon gear performs exactly as it's intended, without any connectivity hiccups. For anyone serious about their TC Helicon setup, this cable isn't just an accessory, it's an essential component for stable operation and data management.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.